Put a roll of toilet paper in your fridge, and you'll be surprised by what happens. Once you discover what it does, I'm sure you'll thank me, and probably share it with all your friends. And it can help solve a few common problems inside your fridge, so make sure you watch until the very end, because I'll also show you another clever tip that can fix an issue almost every household faces. First, let's prepare something. We're going to make a special paste using baking soda. To do this, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with just enough water to create a smooth, slightly liquid consistency. Stir until the powder fully dissolves. You want it thin enough to spread easily but not watery. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now, take your roll of toilet paper and apply the mixture all over its textured surface. Make sure to coat both sides of the paper evenly, exactly as I'm showing you here. The paste should cling to the surface and dry without dripping. Once this step is done, we place it in the fridge. Here's why this is so useful. Over time, different foods stored in your fridge can mix their smells together. That odor can even transfer to water or other drinks, altering their taste. This often happens right after a big grocery trip, when fresh foods mix with leftovers or strong-smelling items. If you've ever taken a sip of water and noticed it tasted like last night's dinner, you know what I mean. With this trick, that problem disappears, leaving your liquids fresh and unchanged. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now let's move on to the second tip. This one is for when the rubber seal around your fridge door stops working properly. You might not even notice it, but when the seal weakens, the door can stay slightly open without you realizing it. Not only does this warm up your food, but it also makes your fridge work harder, increasing your energy bill. Here's how to check it. Place a sheet of kitchen paper between the fridge and the door, then close it. If you can pull the paper out easily without resistance, your seal isn't doing its job. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. To fix it, grab a hairdryer and carefully heat the entire rubber band around the door. Move slowly along the surface, keeping the dryer at a safe distance to avoid damage. This softens the material, allowing it to expand and return to its original snug fit. Once you're done, test it again with the paper. You should now feel resistance when you pull, meaning the seal is back in shape and your fridge is closing tightly again. Do you have a similar hack at home? Share it in the comments. So, which of these 2 tricks is your favorite? If you try either of them, come back and let me know how it worked for you. And if you made it all the way to this part of the video, write the phrase toilet paper in the fridge in the comments so I know you're part of the group that watches until the end. See you in the next tip, my friends.